On my YouTube friends, guys, gals, listen, man. Time to get on the mall, baby. So I ordered me some wheels for the front of the Fairmont. I ordered some motorcycle tires. I ordered some. Well, my kids bought me those for Father's Day. And I ordered the tools and stuff to do the motorcycle tires because they went freaking $200 if I take my bike in and do them. I'm like, $200? Lord have mercy, man. I can barely buy groceries anymore. Shit's so expensive. It's crazy out there. You know what I mean? But, so, listen. I almost went out and bought another car. I bought a Capri that I liked, and I almost bought that car, but I thought to myself, you know what? It's money I can put in the Fairmont. I'm not buying no cars. I've said it before. I'm not buying any cars until I get this Fairmont done. And I haven't worked on the Fairmont. I haven't done nothing. I've been busy with my dad, the junkyard, work, everything else. You know what I'm saying? So I got a lot of things going on in my life. But it's all good, right? Anyhow, so I'm taking the Mach 1 back over and putting it with Papa Mach over in my dad's garage, and we're going to start messing with this Fairmont again. This is things that I got going on in my head, and I'm thinking to myself, yeah, I almost bought a Capri. I'm telling you, it's 81 Capri. It was a decent price, no motor or trans, but I mean, it needed work. But if I got to put work in another vehicle, I'll also put it in the Fairmont, right? What do you think? You know, I mean, that's basically what's coming down to. So I got to get something going on. Getting rough, boys. Getting rough. We're going to get her done. You know what I'm saying? We're going to get her done. We're going to start getting on this Fairmont again. Fenders, you can see them up there. Mach 1, you can see it's behind me here. Fairmont, you know. I almost bought another car. I was getting ready to, no, I'm not doing it. And it would be cool because if I bought this 81 Capri, I could just drop that motor right in it and go, man. I mean, it needs some work, don't get me wrong. But if I'm going to put money into another car, I might as well put it into the Fairmont. You know, so just kind of letting you guys know what's going on. I've been busy. I wasn't able to make it to Ford Takeover, which really sucked. But, you know, it is what it is. I got to take care of my business. Business comes first, you know. And looks like you guys that went down there, looks like you guys had a good time. Wish I could have been there with you, but good. So, anywho, guys, I'm giving you a little update what's going to be happening here on Mr. Mach 1's channel. I'm going to take the Mach 1 over to my dad's today and get that out of the garage. So that way I can slide the Fairmont back over and start working on it. I did order some wheels for it for the front. And I probably put the same kind of wheels on the back when I get them. You'll see when they come in. I guess they're going to be here tomorrow or today. I don't know. It'd be cool if they're here today. I'll do an unboxing, you know. Anywho, I'm just kind of let you know what's going on, man. I hope everybody's doing well. And wow, you know, this forest fire up in Canada has put hammock all over. You know what I'm saying? I mean, Canada, here in Michigan, I'm sure across the United States. I mean, it's really been a bad thing. And, you know, I mean, you go out there and you can't breathe. I mean, seriously, it's just, you know, and I had pneumonia back in 03, SARS pneumonia, and I quit smoking back then. And right now I'm hacking up crap like I was smoking again. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And, yeah, I don't know. Hopefully get those forest fires undercover here soon and this and that. But anyhow, hey, people up in Canada, man, I hope that everything's all right with you guys, because I'm sure you're getting a lot worse than we are. We're just getting like the after effect, and it's bad. So I could just imagine being up in Canada what it's like, you know. So hope you guys get that taken care of soon, because like I said, it's raising hammock on all of us, you know. So, all right, I'm just giving you an update on what's going on here. Like I said, I'll be taking the 21 Mach 1 back over to Dad's today, and I'm gonna start working on that Fairmont when I get some extra time. It's usually what it is. I figure if I could put an hour a day into it, I really, you know, I mean, I made goals before, and I've made them, and I made goals this last winter, and I ain't done crap, you know. I mean, I've done a few things, but nothing really to, you know, get things done. But I got the engine, I got the trans. It's time to get to work on that Fairmont. I can't let this engine sit for 10 years or nothing like that. I'm 57 years old, man. I'll be 58 in October. So, I mean, I'm not getting any younger either, you know. But I'd really like to have this Fairmont done for Ford Takeover next year. Naturally aspirated. I mean, I think it'll be a lot of fun. So anyhow, guys, I appreciate each and every one. You guys are awesome. If anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is you watch this, and I will see you soon.